the city of Chicago.
I think there's ice cream. I think there's snow cream.
So now we are at the Lakefront trail in Lake Michigan. This is the view of Lake Michigan. So we are at the Lakefront trail, and that's the Chicago skyline. You can see the Willis Tower and all the major buildings here.
As the evening shadows fall, there are people dreaming.
So behind me is the Chicago skyline, and this is the Lakefront trail, and this is the Lake Michigan. We can see everything in one shot here when you come to Lake Shore. And very near is the Adler's Planetarium and John C. Shedd Aquarium. So that is the Willis Tower. Today is a very beautiful day in Chicago. Enjoying the Chicago skyline in the evening. Today is July 4th, US Independence Day.
In the city of Chicago.
It is so beautiful at Chicago to see the Lake Michigan and the Chicago skyline. A lot of boats are there. So they are just sailing through the Chicago lake.
The city of Chicago. As the evening shadows fall.
So this is the ticket for the water taxi. So this is the water taxi tour. So adult is 16, children $9 for the Navy fare. Michigan Avenue, Purple plus Red Road 21 adult, children 10. So that behind me is the Willis Tower, and that is the skyline, and this is the Lake Michigan. So there's a water taxi from here where it will take through towards the Lake Michigan, and then it will take through the Michigan Avenue. So there's a tour over there. We are going to take that tomorrow. So this is a beautiful view of Lake Michigan and the Chicago skyline. So everybody is having fun time here. Everyone is enjoying the Chicago skyline and US Independence Day.
The city of Chicago. As the evening shadows fall.
Yeah. It's like for what somebody makes them do one day.
I got a good dumping.
In the city of Chicago. As the evening shadows fall.
He's dumping.
Wow, that's good.
The best box thing. And it's the best box thing.
You got a splash?
Yeah, I took you. Papa's job.